Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to connect your controller with PC. If you want to connect your controller with PC via Bluetooth, take a look at the bottom of it. Right here we've got the switch. Select Bluetooth and now press and hold Home button plus B. Now on your PC, go to Bluetooth settings and select your controller from the list. If you want to connect your controller with PC via dongle, switch the connection mode to receiver. Now you can connect the dongle to charging dock and connect the dock to PC via USB-C cable. You can also connect receiver to PC directly via dongle. And as you can see, the controller is connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.